If you've ever felt stuck or unsure about posting online, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop guessing and start posting with confidence, no matter where you're at with your content creation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to step up your game, this quick 3-minute tutorial will set you on the path to success. The first step in posting with confidence is understanding that perfection is not the goal. It's all about progress. If you're constantly wondering whether your post will get likes, shares, or comments, you're letting the fear of judgment hold you back. But here's the truth. You don't need to guess what works. You need to understand what works for you. Your audience will connect with your unique voice, and as long as you're authentic, you're already ahead of the game. The second step is making the process easier. You don't have to guess when it's the right time to post or what to say. Using the right tools will remove all that uncertainty. After testing out several options, I found that the software we'll be using today is the one that really stands out. It takes away the guesswork by giving you clear insights into when your audience is most active and what content performs best. Trust me, once you start using this tool, you'll feel a lot more confident with your posts. And the best part? I've arranged an exclusive free trial just for you, my viewers, which you can find in the description below. Take advantage of that to follow along as I walk you through it. Next, focus on setting a simple goal for each post. Don't overwhelm yourself with a million metrics. Start small, even if it's just one goal, whether that's engagement or simply staying consistent with your content. Once you've got a clear objective, your post will feel less like a shot in the dark and more like a purposeful step toward connecting with your audience. The next tip is consistency. You've probably heard it before, but it's so important. Posting with confidence means committing to regularity. When you post consistently, you begin to trust the process more, and your audience will come to expect it. It's a great way to build momentum and gain more confidence over time. Another crucial element to remember is to stop overthinking. Sometimes the fear of making a mistake or saying the wrong thing holds us back. But here's the thing, no one has a perfect post every time. The more you practice and share your thoughts, the better you'll get. Trust me, the more you post, the more confidence you build, and the more you'll find your flow. So what's the key takeaway here? Stop guessing and start posting with confidence by focusing on progress, using the right tools, setting simple goals, posting consistently, and letting go of perfection. It's about getting started and staying consistent. If you apply these principles, you'll be well on your way to posting with confidence every time. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I mentioned earlier. It'll help you stop guessing and start posting with confidence today. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.